Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix low audio volume in Windows 11 devices. Now to fix this issue, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to go ahead and click on system. Under system, you will have to go ahead and click on sound. Under sound, you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom until you find advanced and then click on all sound devices. Under this section, you will have to go ahead and locate for speakers and headphones under output devices. Under this section, make sure you have audio enhancement is being set to default. Make sure it is being turned off. And at the same time, under the format, under the volume section, make sure the volume is being set to maximum. Once this is done, you may go ahead and close the window, restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, there should not be the low audio volume in your Windows 11. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.